Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up alarm in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, slide up to all application and search for a clock. And then you have option alarm here on the app. So click on add and click on which hour you want to set alarm. If you want to ring once, click on it. If not, click custom and repeat with every day you want to set up this alarm. You can name the alarm if you wish. Set the ringtone to the alarm. You can add the vibration to your alarm and snooze if you want to add some snooze to your alarm. Accept. And that's it. You have add your alarm. You can disable it, but this button enable it. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.